Right, so this video shows you how to troubleshoot your JBL Charge 3 and 4 Hammond speakers. There are a myriad or various types of finite issues that you might face whilst using your JBL Charge 3 and 4 speakers. It could be that you've got partial connection between your Bluetooth file exchange and the speakers. Sometimes you'd have to restart your computer to establish that connection. And sometimes you need to click multiple times in the Bluetooth file exchange before you're able to establish connection between the Bluetooth file exchange and the JBL speakers. This can be time consuming, especially as you're repeating the same task over and over again, so it's non-value added. And sometimes the LED lights at the bottom of the speakers fail to light up or charge up, level up. It doesn't mean that your speaker is faulty or you need to replace the battery. It just means that you might need to do a factory reset. So let's troubleshoot and run a factory reset and see if it resolves the problem. For a factory reset, turn on the power button. For the JBL Charge 3, hit the plus button and the pause button at the same time in sync or simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Hold them two buttons down. And as soon as it powers off, release your two hands from them buttons. At this stage, you've successfully factory reset your JBL Charge 3. So all you need to do is to power on the Charge 3 speaker. And hopefully this resolves the issue faced on your Charge 3. For the JBL Charge 4, it's a similar process but a different setup. The Bluetooth button is exchanged with the infinity sign button, which allows you to pair multiple devices. For example, sync or pair 4 JBL speakers together. And that's the button there. To reset, basically power on your JBL speakers if you haven't done so already, and hold both the Bluetooth and the plus sign button down for 3 seconds, just as we did in the case of the JBL Charge 3. The only difference is that this time around, the Bluetooth button and the plus sign button was what was held down. In the case of the JBL Charge 3, what we held down was the plus button and the play pause button. So in the case of the JBL Charge 4, whilst we're holding down the Bluetooth button and the plus sign button, very briefly the ring around the power button and the Bluetooth button briefly lights up before the JBL Charge 4 powers down. As soon as your JBL Charge 4 powers down, hit the power button, and whilst your JBL Charge 4 powers up, it goes into discovery mode, which essentially is like a clean slate or a tabula rasa, which means that it's thrown off every other paired device that is recognized in the past, and you need to reconnect or repair new devices or old devices to the JBL speaker. And the reason why you'd have to do this is because you've just factory reset your JBL speaker to default settings, okay? And if you're still experiencing glitches, issues, or problems with connections, then I think it's about time that you update the software on your computer, and that could just about resolve the problem, because it has in previous instances. So go to the top left hand corner of your computer and click on the Apple icon, and that should prompt you with a software update dialog screen. It will check for updates automatically, or you can set it up to check for updates manually. But the idea is check for any updates that's due on your computer and update your software. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you'll be the first to get notifications as soon as they come in. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. I hope to catch up with you soon. Goodbye. Bye.